Well, she didn't look as pretty as some others I have known, and she wasn't good at conversation when we were alone. But she had a way of making me believe that I belonged, and it felt like coming home when I found her. 'Cause she brightened up the day like the early morning sun. She made what I was doing seem worthwhile. It's the closest name to living that I guess I've ever known, and it made me want to smile when I loved her. 'Cause she seemed so proud of me, just walking toward me, and she didn't think that money was the measure of a man. And we seemed to fit together when I held her in my arms, and it felt like coming home when I found her. 'Cause she brightened up the day like the early morning sun, and she made what I was doing seem worthwhile. It's the closest thing to living that I guess I've ever known, and it made me want to smile when I loved her. I know some of us are born to cast our fortunes to her, and I guess I'm bound to travel down a road that never ends. And I know I'll never look upon the likes of her again, and I'll never understand why I lost her. 'Cause she brightened up the day like the early morning sun. She made what I was doing seem worthwhile. It's the closest thing to living that I guess I've ever known. It made me want to smile when I loved her, and it made me want to smile when I loved her. This is a song by Leon Russell. It's covered by almost everybody. I saw it last week. Aretha Franklin did it at the White House. Carpenter did it as one of their songs. So it's got a pretty diverse topic of it. I've been so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs, I've made some bad rhymes. I've acted out my life in stages with 10,000 people watching. But we're alone now, and I'm singing this song for you. I know your image of me is what I hope to be. I treated you unkindly, but darling, can't you see? There's no one more important to me. Baby, can't you please see through me? 'Cause we're alone now, and I'm singing this song for you. You taught me precious secrets of the truth withholding up. You came out in front when I was hiding. life is over. Remember when we were together? We were alone and I was singing this song. We were alone and I was singing this song for you. This song's got a strange story. I played this for my mother. She said my grandma and grandpa, this was their love song going back to the turn of the century. I wandered today through the hills, Maggie, to watch the scene below. The creek and that creaking old mill, Maggie, as we used to long, long ago. The green grove is gone from the hill, Maggie, where first the daisy strong. The creek and the still, Maggie, since you and I were young. Oh, they say that I'm feeble with age, Maggie. My steps are much slower than this. My case is a well-written page, Maggie. And time alone was the pen. They say we have our different time, Maggie, as they hear the songs that we sung. But to me you're the same as you were, Maggie, when you and I were young. And now we are aged and gray, Maggie, trials of life nearly gone. Let us sing of the days that are gone, Maggie, when you and I were young. I was watching a concert with Garth Brooks recently. He said this song. I know you loved him a long time ago. Even now in my arms, you still want him, I know. But darling, this time, let your memories die. When you hold me tonight, don't close your eyes. Don't close your eyes, let it be me. Don't pretend it's him in some fantasy. Darling, just one, let yesterday go. You'll find more love than you ever know. Just hold me tight when you love me tonight, and don't close your eyes. Maybe I've been a fool, holding on all this time, lying here in your arms. Now I keep in your mind, but I keep hoping someday that you'll you'll see the light. Let it be tonight. Don't close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Let it be me. Don't pretend it's him. Something to be. Darling, just one. Let yesterday go.